Today you will learn how to make some electric heated clothes. This DIY is so simple that even your granny can do this. We need a thin wire and you can get it out from USB charger or headphones and any batteries. The only thing to worry about is the length of the wire. It must be longer than 1 meter. Just wind it around the thing you want to hit. I want to hit an insole. Then attach the ends of the wire to the battery. To make it more comfortable, I use some neodymium magnets. This is how it works. When the wire's ends are connected to the battery, there appears current. And while current goes through the wire, it resists and causes heating effect. And after 30 seconds, the insole becomes 50 degrees Celsius, just what I need in severe winter. As you can see now, it doesn't require lots of energy, thus the battery will last for several hours. You can put the accumulator anywhere. There is a special place for it. You can place it under your laces or anything else, but inside is the best place to put the battery. So, it is working, yeah. Too hot or warm? Not hot yet, but warm already. With this thing hitting your feet, you will survive a severe winter. You can also make a simple hand heater. Just wind the wire around the marker and you can heat your hands in your pocket.
Wow!
It didn't take long. It heats so well. The hand heater is very effective. Try?
Wow!
I guess we should take a longer wire. It heats even too much. So guys, if it heats too much, it's too hard to handle. You can just use a longer wire. The longer is the wire, the less heated it will be. And the vice versa. If you don't get enough heat, shorter is the wire. A shorter wire has less resistance and conduct more current. More heat as well. You can even heat your body with it. Just wind the wire around. And get some carrying case for the batteries. You can hide all these under the pullover. So how is it? So I feel like I'm wearing a very hard sweater. Is it hitting? Oh yeah, I'm sweating already. Can I just take off my pullover? In practice, a Chinese cheap battery will live for 2 hours. So we can even switch it one from another, or take many with you. And actually, you don't need to bother yourself about the batteries if you have an external battery. You can attach the heating wires through the naked USB wire connected to the external battery.